Hello everybody, hope you all are doing well. In my previous tutorial we saw the commands used to make the device enter into DOS mode and exit from DOS mode. In today's session we will see the commands used to force to and exit from app standby mode in Android. So by the way, this is Dimple here and welcome you all back to my next tutorial on Android framework components. Let's get started. Before moving on to the exact commands section, we will see what is app standby mode in Android. So previous tutorial I had told what is DOS mode. Okay, DOS mode was introduced to optimize my battery so that I can run my battery for a longer period of time. Okay, similarly Google also introduced this app standby mode where it is also introduced for battery optimization. Okay, DOS mode means it will put the entire device into idle state. What is this app standby mode? It is in respect to one particular application. Okay, so app standby allows the system to determine app is idle when the user is not actively using it. When few Android applications are not used by the user for some period of time, the Android operating system will detect those apps as idle apps and it will put it into the app standby mode. Okay, when the user does not use or does not touch an app. Okay, when does this app standby mode will come into picture? So when I don't launch my app, that means I'm not currently using my app and the app is not in foreground and the app will not generate any notification. For example, we keep getting few notifications in WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, Insta, all these things. Whenever we get notification, these particular apps will not enter app standby mode. Only very rare apps which we use like calculator, contacts, for that matter, these apps, for example, I'm telling, they will be diagnosed for certain period of time. When they are idle, they will go to app standby mode. So what exactly happens in an app standby mode? Again, these apps will not be allowed to perform foreground operations to save the resources. Okay, and what are the commands to force the device into app standby mode? So first, as I already told in my previous tutorial, I have to make sure my device is in unplugged state so that when I connect my device to the PC through cable to perform few ADB commands, it will start charging, right? So I have to unplug it. I have to run this ADB shell dumpsys battery unplug command. After that, this is the main command which is used to force the device into app standby mode. So ADB shell AM set inactive. I'm making my application inactive. Why I'm making inactive? So that my app will not consume extra battery. When my app does not consume extra battery, my battery life cycle will be improved, which will actually make the user happy. Right, they need not keep charging their phone every now and then. So set inactive and package name, whichever app you want to set inactive, that one package name you can give here, and you have to pass the argument true. By passing true, I'm making this particular app, wherever I have mentioned the package name, to be inactive application. Okay, and how to wake up your app from this app standby mode? Just the opposite what we did. So ADB shell AM set inactive the package name and you have to pass false. Okay, you have to pass the argument false to come out of the app standby mode. So if you want to come to know the status of your application, you don't know if it's in app standby mode or if it's not in app standby mode, you can use this ADB shell AM get inactive. Okay, get, it will list down the inactive state. Okay, it will list down, if it lists down true, that means your app is in app standby mode. If it returns false, that means your app is working normally as any other active application. So this app standby mode and DOS mode was introduced for battery optimization, to extend your battery life cycle, to make all the users happy users. Okay, so yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you all today. I hope you all enjoyed this short video. I hope it was informative and helpful. I'll meet you all soon in my next tutorial. Until then, everyone, take care, stay safe, see you.